Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into crucial crypto market trends for 2025. The crypto space moves fast, and missing out could mean lost opportunities. These trends could shape your investment strategy. The landscape in 2025 is dynamic and complex. It's not just Bitcoin and Ethereum, the ecosystem has exploded. Understanding these trends is key to navigating the market. We'll cover DeFi, institutional investments, and new regulations. My goal is to give you a clear overview of the dominant forces in crypto. This is about understanding macro trends influencing the asset class, so let's get right into it. Let's talk about decentralized finance, or DeFi. DeFi is maturing, creating sustainable financial products and services. Think lending, borrowing, insurance, and derivatives. 2025 will focus on security and genuine utility. Interoperability is crucial for DeFi to go mainstream. Tokenizing real-world assets will unlock liquidity. Better user experience is essential. Expect more focus on institutional adoption. Permissioned DeFi pools and KYC AML integrations will become common. This focus is necessary to tap into massive capital. The growth potential is staggering. Let's move on to the next trend. Let's talk about institutional investment in cryptocurrencies. Institutions are here, bringing serious capital with them. Hedge funds, pension funds, endowments, and major corporations are adding Bitcoin and other digital assets to their balance sheets. This is a game changer. Bitcoin is recognized as a legitimate store of value, especially in an environment of macroeconomic uncertainty. The infrastructure around crypto investing has matured, with regulated custodians and institutional-grade trading platforms. When major financial players allocate even a small percentage to crypto, we're talking about billions, potentially trillions, of dollars. This influx of institutional capital brings legitimacy and stability to the crypto market. However, it also brings increased scrutiny from regulators. For 2025, expect more headlines about major financial players entering the crypto space. Crypto is rapidly becoming a core component of diversified investment portfolios. Let's discuss the regulatory landscape next. The regulatory tightrope. Navigating government oversight in 2025. Regulatory developments cause anxiety for many crypto investors. As crypto grows, governments and regulatory bodies are paying closer attention. For 2025, regulatory clarity will be a major driving force in the market. Good regulation can foster innovation and trust, while bad regulation can stifle growth. Different countries are taking different approaches, from embracing crypto to being more restrictive. The United States is a key jurisdiction to watch, with agencies like the SEC and CFTC vying for influence. What the industry needs is proactive and clear legislation specifically designed for digital assets. The debate around central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, will intensify, with significant implications for the crypto ecosystem. Taxation is another critical area, with more stringent reporting requirements expected. The regulatory landscape in 2025 will likely be a patchwork, with different regions moving at different speeds. Projects that prioritize compliance and transparency will be better positioned to navigate these evolving rules. Beyond the hype real-world impact of blockchain advancements. The innovation happening in the blockchain space is mind-blowing. For 2025, expect these advancements to translate into more tangible, real-world applications. Scalability is a major area of development, with Layer 2 solutions maturing rapidly. These technologies aim to increase transaction throughput and reduce costs. The evolution of smart contract platforms will continue, with competitors pushing the boundaries. Interoperability is crucial, with different blockchains coexisting and specializing in different things. Blockchain will make deeper inroads into industries like supply chain management, digital identity, and gaming. The development of zero-knowledge (ZK) proof technology is something to watch. ZK proofs have profound implications for privacy and scalability. This technology is becoming more accessible and will be a major trend in 2025. Let's move on to how big companies are embracing crypto. Mainstream momentum. How big companies are embracing crypto. Major companies and financial institutions are integrating crypto into their operations. This trend is moving crypto from a speculative asset to a functional part of the global economy. Payment processors like Visa and MasterCard are experimenting with crypto payments. Fintech companies like PayPal and Square are expanding their crypto offerings. Big tech companies are exploring blockchain and Web3 technologies. Consumer brands are experimenting with NFTs for loyalty programs and digital collectibles. Financial institutions are offering crypto custody, trading, and advisory services. This brings crypto to a wider audience and adds a layer of perceived safety and legitimacy. Companies are also exploring blockchain for internal operations like supply chain management and data verification. This behind-the-scenes adoption will quietly grow, embedding blockchain into the global economy. Crypto and blockchain are becoming tools that solve real business problems. Your crypto roadmap for 2025, key takeaways and next steps. We've covered a lot of ground, from DeFi and institutional capital to regulations, blockchain advancements, and company adoption. The crypto world is maturing and integrating more deeply into traditional finance and business. Stay educated and adaptable. This market doesn't stand still. Focus on projects with strong fundamentals and long-term vision. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. That's it for today's video on the crypto market trends for 2025. If you found this information helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.